today we have Gracie. Now she is about to turn things up, because she's saying whatever she plays, it was already known. So go ahead and catch the video to see what she has to say. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And as we all know, God loves us. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Telling us that all the time when the ear me could keep on repeating something. I have my reason why I say what I say. Sometimes I just don't want to get into it. But I always have a reason why I say what I say, okay? As bad as me be. I have a reason, nationals. And this morning, if I'm not going to know the reason why I say what I say. Alright? So, please share the live, yeah. And please click the link, because the link when I pin this so, or this alone, I'm going to stay upon live. I'm not going to stay over here, so, or over Facebook. So that's it. I'm going to stay over the page here. Please click that link and come over. Thank you. So everybody click that link, please. If I'm not click your link, I'm not going to miss the live, because I'm still end the live over here, so. The same go call her for me, please, and click the link and come over the backup page. I don't want a distraction this morning. Nation, as I don't care who the person be. If I think you're distracting me this morning, I'm going to time you out. I'm not in it this morning. And anything I come here to talk about, I hit me a talk about. I don't want nobody put, when nobody did say last night, who the panel live or course like that, I have nothing to do with me this morning. And one thing me come about this morning, I hit me a sort out and leave. Please to click the link and come over here, so. Since me a liar and me a social media miscreant. Yes. Me go come. Me like liar. Certain things me want it, I know if me bring it out here, or if I bring it back out here, me make sure private my life, then most of them, I mean, I want no trouble out in a social media world, people are look for me like them and can't find them because most of them are private, But if you mess with me, we draw back for them. Don't play with me. No, tell no lie for me. So social media world. You hear me say all our way have dirt, power badge, fire. None of we fire not perfect. All our we fire have dirt, now we badge. So I say, oh, all of a sudden, everybody I run up and down like them perfect, and then they do nothing fire way wrong yet. And then they make no mistake from then a social media world, everything they go perfect with them and nice and clean. I don't know. I don't know all of a sudden not be a perfect people upon social media, nationals. They never do nothing wrong yet. Then that's perfection. Be a perfection. Well, this morning I'm gonna remind some of us how we're not perfect. You hear? Alright. Nationals. The other day, me hear she say she never chat the people them yet. With nobody. Me, I'll play back a voice note them when she and Lorraine in that chat, Dana. And Chris. Since me a liar, click the link over here so come in a distraction this morning. Please and thanks. Click the link here. And then me want to tell me if I lie, me that tell Panar. No. No tell no lie for me. Yeah, woman, don't tell no lie for me in the social media world. Yeah. If you're hungry, I want the money. Me never tell nobody to if you learn how to make them money pan you. You hear? Okay. Please to click this link and come over here. Now look, no likes from nobody, no fame, no friend, you know. Okay. Anything you want me get it pan you. Me not have to depend on planka people. You live off of them, me not live off of them. I'm tired to tell you that. Okay. Please to click the link our Facebook and come over YouTube because I'm going to end the Facebook one. Me not stay upon here today. And if you don't stay upon Facebook, you don't miss it because if you don't come over the main page and over them there. So if you don't click the link, you don't go find it. Okay. She say me a liar. Bring the live, I got 500 over the bring up over the backup page and we get to play something, please. Me have something to play. Wait. From last night, my blood boil. But through it too late. From last night, my blood boil for the woman here, you know. And you know, so when my blood boil, you know, nice, you know. Because the woman here I play around too long. And I don't care. Because she not charity, not keep no homeless, not benefit from it. So nothing wrong. You may bring it out here and bring it back certain things out here come grease the people in memory. Since you tell lie, I come with no receipt. Me say last night nation had my blood boil and me see woman call me a ball, you know. That woman never come over me show yet. That woman never come for me live yet. Me see woman call me a ball like water last night, you know. Sick of the wicked woman up here, you know. I know my blood boil after 11 last night when I come for you, man. I just treat it too late. I said, no, if I do it now, it's not going to benefit. Because most of them not sleep. If I go and do it this morning, please so click that link and I so end the main life. Yeah, now waste our time this man. Nobody no call me. No, no fire no call me. I don't care what nobody tell me this man. Make sure turn off. There's something they come in a one. Nobody tell me nothing about the play.
Era Grace is saying that whatever she puts out is something that was already known. So continue watching for more information and listen to what she has to say. Thank you.
Me I play what me fi play. Please so click the link over the main page and come over the backup page because I'm going in the main live. Alright. She a go, but you say she Daphne, she a go like say she never chat Dana with Laura. Alright. When me done this morning, we are gonna see if she chat Dana with Laura or if Gracie a liar and social media miscreant. Okay? I'm gonna see if she chat Chris or who she chat with Laura. And we are gonna see who and Laura was friend. Alright. When this is during the time when Dana, when Laura cuss Dana, you know. So no come. That's why I tell them I no like it plank of them, because all I only did do. Only did damn well know. Not when me I play no on the news, stop me tune on the damn well know. Okay. You're not hypocrite. Who know two are hypocrites, so please to click the live and come over the backup page. Since me a liar. Since me a liar all over my main page, please to click the stop link and come over the backup page because I'm going to end the live over my main page just the next 2 minutes. Thank you. And I look no friend and no fame from nobody pan you, know, but me just a play when me fi play. Main page, please to click the top link when you see me pin and come over the backup page. Facebook, please to do the same. Me I go end the live. Me I go end the live because me not wait too long. Just come for talk my truth. It's click, it's link, it's spin. It's spin. It is pinned, so just click it.